How to make money on YouTube without recording videos. The purpose of this video is to crack the hard nut of the hardship you found on how to make money on YouTube without recording videos. Help anyone, anywhere, no matter your experience, grow a successful YouTube business. Unleash the power of your screen and start earning big today. Join the YouTube affiliate marketing revolution and discover the secrets to making passive income online. From clicks to sales, learn how to turn your passion into profits with the power of affiliate marketing on the world's biggest video platform. Hello and welcome to this free training course on how to make money on YouTube without recording videos. If you're looking for ways to earn money on YouTube without having to record videos, you're in the right place. In this course, I'll be sharing some of the best strategies and tips to help you monetize your YouTube channel. Before we dive in, make sure to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so you never miss any of my future videos and training courses. And, if you find this training valuable, don't forget to like and share it with your friends and family. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and most importantly, hit the subscribe button to join the squad. Let's get started. Affiliate marketing. One of the most popular ways to make money on YouTube without recording videos is through affiliate marketing. This involves promoting products or services that you believe in and earning a commission for each sale made through your unique affiliate link. You can promote products or services in your niche and recommend them to your viewers. Just make sure to always disclose that you are using affiliate links in your descriptions. Make your YouTube channel work for you and start earning big with affiliate marketing. With a commitment to success and a strategic approach, you can take your income to new heights. Invest in your future and become a successful YouTuber today. Sponsored content. Another way to make money on YouTube without recording videos is through sponsored content. This involves partnering with brands and creating content that promotes their products or services. You can create sponsored blog posts, social media posts, or even product reviews. The key is to find brands that align with your values and that your audience will appreciate. Turn your online presence into a lucrative income stream with YouTube affiliate marketing. Learn the insider tips and tricks to skyrocket your earnings today. Selling digital products. You can also make money on YouTube by selling digital products like ebooks, courses, and templates. If you have expertise in a specific niche, consider creating and selling a product that will help your audience solve a problem or achieve a goal. This is a great way to monetize your YouTube channel without having to create videos. Online advertising. If you have a large and engaged audience, you can make money on YouTube by placing online advertisements on your channel. This can include display ads, sponsored content, or even video advertisements. To be eligible for this type of monetization, you'll need to meet certain requirements such as having at least 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours in the past 12 months. Selling physical products. Finally, you can make money on YouTube by selling physical products. This could be merchandise related to your channel, such as t-shirts or mugs, or products that you create and sell on your own. You can use platforms like Shopify to set up an online store and start selling products to your audience. So there you have it. 5 strategies for making money on YouTube without recording videos. Remember, the key to success with any of these strategies is to build a loyal and engaged audience, so make sure to focus on creating high-quality content and providing value to your viewers. Don't miss out on a single moment. Hit that subscribe button and never look back. Don't forget to hit the like button, leave a comment, and share this training with your friends and family. And if you haven't already, make sure to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so you never miss any of my future videos and training courses. Join the thousands of YouTubers who have found success with affiliate marketing. With the right strategy and approach, you too can turn your channel into a profitable income stream. Don't wait, start investing in your financial future today. If you want to see more amazing content like this, make sure to hit the subscribe button. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you at the next training. That's it for this training on how to make money on YouTube without recording videos. If you found this helpful, make sure to give it a like, leave a comment, and share it with your friends and family. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel and turn on the notification bell for more tips and tricks. Until next time, stay creative and keep growing your YouTube channel.